Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Game Carmelo, and we're gonna do a tutorial video today about how to enable Xbox Game Bar. I know I make gaming videos, but this is an exception because then I know lots of people have this problem. I did myself, and I just fixed the problem. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. So first, I'll show you guys that Xbox Game Bar is not working for me. So I turn it on, go to Captures, Xbox Game Bar, it's off. Okay. Now I'll show you guys how to fix it. Okay, so all you guys have to do is search up gpedit.msc. Click enter, make sure it's that one, and then what you guys want to do is click on computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, and scroll all the way down till you see Windows game recording and broadcasting. Click on that once, click edit policy setting, enabled, apply, and OK. Exit out of that, and now just restart your PC, and Xbox Game Bar should be enabled. And if it's not, all you guys have to do is just click it, and you guys are chilling. Alright, if that helped you guys out, make sure you guys subscribe, comment, and like this video. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.